Today I'll teach you how to crochet a super simple puff stitch sunflower. Hold the yarn in your left hand and start with a magic ring. Insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through, then draw the loop up tall. Next, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Draw the loop up tall. This is an unfinished half double crochet. Continue to yarn over, pull up a loop and draw it tall. Repeat until you have 5 unfinished half double crochets. All 5 unfinished half double crochets are complete. Yarn over and pull through all loops. Then chain 1 to secure. The first cluster is done. Place a stitch marker in the chain. Continue with the next cluster. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop and draw it tall. Work 5 unfinished half double crochets into the ring. Keep all loops at the same height. After finishing the 5 stitches, yarn over and pull through all loops. Then chain 1. The second cluster is complete. Continue this method to make 10 clusters in total. After finishing 10 clusters, tighten the magic ring. Slip stitch into the marked chain. Chain 1. Start single crocheting in the slip stitch. Place a marker in the first single crochet. Work 1 single crochet into each stitch round. You should have 20 single crochets total. Finish all 20 single crochets. Slip stitch to the first single crochet. Pull up the yarn, cut it, and weave in the ends. Using the same method, crochet a green sepal. Hold both pieces together and insert the hook through matching stitches. Pull through the yellow yarn. First, chain 3. Yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop and draw it tall. Make 1 unfinished half double crochet. Work for unfinished half double crochets in the same stitch. The 4 unfinished half double crochets in that stitch are complete. Continue by working for unfinished half double crochets in the next stitch. Unfinished half double crochets. Across 2 stitches. You now have 8 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all loops. Chain 3. Slip stitch into the space under the chains. Continue by chaining 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch. That completes the first petal. Let's demonstrate again. Chain 3. Then work for unfinished half double crochets in the same stitch. After completing the 4 unfinished half double crochets, continue by working for unfinished half double crochets in the next stitch. For unfinished half double crochets, once you have 8 unfinished half double crochets total, yarn over and pull through all loops. Chain 3 again. Slip stitch into the space under the chains. Then chain 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch. The second petal is now complete. Repeat the same method to crochet 10 petals. After chaining 3 for the 10th petal, slip stitch into the first petal and pull up a loop. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Your puff stitch sunflower is now finished. If you like it, give it a try.